Okay, you can put both your feet down. That's not what we're doing right now.
I cannot do it.
Sir.
I have not been
Sir.
able to do this test for 10 years.
Sir, just pay attention to him.
I cannot.
Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Go ahead and pay GMS. I don't believe she's injured, but we'll need an evaluation.
I'm sorry.
Sarah, right? Sarah?
I have a...
Sounds like you might have crashed into a couple of things. You're kind of just in somebody's yard right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
No.
No?
So I have a...
Where were you coming from?
My work.
You were coming from work?
Yeah.
Where do you work at?
Splash.
Splash?
Yeah.
What's Splash? I'm not familiar with that.
Okay.
Where is Splash at?
35.
Like Splash Zone?
No, like Splash.
Okay. How's front end look? Did you see those poles when you were coming this way? Yeah.
Hey!
Look, at one point she must have been trying to get out. I don't know.
Just front end damage.
Is it passenger side?
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle? Okay.
Really? Hey.
Hey, what?
No, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Looks like she also hit some underground cable utility box. So, Sarah, you said you're not injured? You're what?
A little.
What's injured on you?
My left shoulder.
Left shoulder. That's it?
Left tibia.
Right here, the entire tone of the case changes. Sarah doesn't deny drinking. She openly admits she'd been drinking everything. That's one of the most damaging statements a driver can make because officers immediately shift from investigating a crash to building a DUI case. At this point, the evidence is starting to pile up fast.
Tibia.
On the roof?
I think she hit the pole and it landed on top because her windshield's cracked.
Sarah, how much have you had to drink tonight?
A lot.
Okay. What have you been drinking?
Everything.
Everything, okay. Well, I have an ambulance coming to check you out, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty.
But I'm still alive.
You're still what?
I'm still your boss.
You're definitely not my boss.
I bet you I am.
So here's what's gonna happen, okay?
Oh, what's gonna happen?
Ambulance is gonna come check you out, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna
And I'm still alive.
we're gonna deal with the situation, okay? Because
Yeah.
you struck some poles downtown,
Super
put-
f***ing good.
okay? All right, I could see you're taking this situation very seriously. Okay?
Super.
You understand you could have hit somebody?
No.
You don't understand that at all. You drove up on a sidewalk and you hit some light poles down. You understand that there have been people there?
For me right now. I'm not gonna.
Okay, are you on parole, probation, or anything?
No.
Okay, do you have any open cases?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm a white bitch. No.
Have you ever been arrested for drunk driving before?
Yes.
And here's
Okay.
what most people overlook. The crash wasn't just about a damaged car. Knocked down utility poles, exposed live electrical wires, shattered streetlights, and damaged fiber infrastructure turned this into a major public safety incident. One reckless decision suddenly put an entire neighborhood at risk.
Yes.
Okay, where was that at?
Wisconsin and Minnesota.
Okay.
So f with me.
I'm coming from work, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Splash. And
Yeah.
it's on 35?
Yeah.
Is it just south of River Falls?
I thought I had said if it was
You know where I am?
I don't know.
Oh.
Do you live by yourself?
Yeah.
So there's no one at home right now?
My man's at home.
Your man's at home?
Yeah.
And which address?
But he's black, so you don't like him.
Okay. Which address? Okay. All right. Just stay with me. Okay.
We got the ambulance here. They're gonna check you out.
What's going on?
So she hit a pole downtown. Hit the tree here, went off road, popped tire. Pole landed on her car. Says she has left shoulder pain. Probably not gonna get any good answers from her.
Are you planning on taking her? Or you don't
Yeah.
plan that far?
Yeah,
Okay.
well, we'll do all that stuff when you guys are done.
Okay,
But
sweet.
okay.
Hi.
Yeah, just check on her.
There's nobody home. I don't know why she said her boyfriend, unless he's out somewhere, who knows. Depending on her condition, if she would be able to complete fields, depending on how she seems, she is heavily intoxicated. I wonder what else she hit on the way here. I didn't see anything obvious, but Splash, wherever she works at. And she said on 35. We'll clarify more with her.
Can't even tell me her address, her name. She's just, more like calling me names than anything else.
Hey Cody, it's Sergeant Walker. Hey, so we had a vehicle strike a bunch of light poles, at least 2 of them. The poles are completely detached, but there's wire sticking out of the ground right on the sidewalk. All right, thank you. Yep. All right, bye.
Was the car off when you got here?
Yeah, the keys were on the ground. I had the keys in my pocket, so she must have tried to get out at one point and then couldn't. And then she looked like she was passed out in there. She was turned like she was to the side, and her head was slumped over.
Splash, is that what you
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's just keep the door open here. They just checked you out. They're going to head out of here. Any questions for them at all?
Why the fuck?
Okay. You guys are good to go.
Would you like us to take you to the hospital? Do you feel like you need to get checked out by a doctor?
Do you feel I need to be checked out by a doctor?
That's up to you.
It's a yes or a no.
No.
All right.
Who's that dude?
Who's the ambulance guy?
I don't give a shit.
Well, he's leaving now, so
So we know each other, right?
I don't think I know you now. So, Sarah, you said you were coming from Splash.
But you don't know me.
I know your name's Sarah. Am I supposed to know you?
Absolutely not. If you know my first name.
Well, I do know your first name, yeah. So you're coming from Splash, South Highway 35?
What?
Okay. Did you stop any other place tonight?
No.
Coming from Splash work
I'm
to home?
going back to work and I'm heading back to work.
Okay, you're going to work right now?
Yeah.
So you told the other officer you had some alcohol to drink tonight. How
Do
many
you
did
have
you
a
think?
problem with that, officer?
Well, I'm just asking you questions, trying to get a better understanding of what happened.
So we both went to school together. We're not neighbors,
So how much
but I
alcohol
work
did you have to
with
drink?
them.
How much alcohol have you had to drink tonight,
they're
Sarah?
f***ing my f***ing employees.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the bad one.
How many alcoholic drinks would you say you had tonight?
7.
7. Okay. And what were those drinks? Were they beer, mixed drinks, wine?
Really? I'm not f***ing with you. You're not f***ing with me. Do you want to get gutted?
Okay, so Sarah, I want to see what your level of impairment is like right now. Are you able to step out of the vehicle and stand up for me? Can you do that for me, please? Can you step out of the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay.
Watch this carefully. The officer isn't trying to trick her. He's simply offering standardized field sobriety tests. But Sarah's answers become completely contradictory, saying she's not refusing while refusing to cooperate. That confusion itself can become powerful evidence when investigators assess impairment.
Okay. All right, take a couple steps over here. Just stand right there for me, please, okay? So I want to do a couple tests here. Are you willing to do those tests for me?
No.
Can I explain the tests?
No.
Okay. Are you refusing to do standardized field sobriety tests?
Absolutely not.
So you're not refusing.
No.
So then are you willing to do the tests?
Do you want to absolute sobriety to my f***ing test?
Sarah, the questions you're asking me don't make sense. That's
They
why I'm
don't
not
make
answering.
sense to me either.
Sarah, are you willing to do the test for me if I give you the instructions?
No.
So are you refusing to do the
No.
test? So in total...
Stop.
So
I
Sarah,
advise you to stop.
your answers are contradicting.
Your answers are f***ing contradicting too.
Here's what I'm going to do, Sarah.
Stop. I advise you to stop.
So Sarah...
Stop.
Stop what?
I'm asking you not to.
If you don't want to do the test, then you don't have to.
I can do them, but I'm asking you not to. I'm not refusing you, but I now rank you by a lot. I have PSTD to my f***ing head injury, my neck, and my back.
So the first test is a test of your eyes. Hey, Sarah.
Sarah, please go over there.
Hey.
Sarah,
Let him
Sarah,
do
please
this.
go over there. He's talking to you.
Swing.
Please go over to that officer. He's talking to you, okay?
I respect you. I love you.
Sarah, do you have resting nystagmus in your eyes at all?
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
Okay, what does that mean?
I'm psychotic. I'm neurotic. Go ahead and arrest me right now.
What we're doing?
Am I not psychotic?
So Sarah, that's not what we're doing right now.
Okay. I have resting neuropathy. I cannot command on your commands.
For this test, I'm going to have you look at the tip of my pen. Okay, you can put both your feet down. That's not what we're doing right now.
I cannot do it.
Sir,
I have not been
Sarah.
able to do this test for 10 years.
Sarah, just pay attention to him.
I cannot subject to your test because I'm retarded.
So let's move on to the next test, okay? It's called the walk and turn.
I can do the walk and turn. I can't do that test.
Okay, then we're not going to do that test. Sarah, come back here.
Go over there. Sarah, please go over there. Sarah,
He's
don't touch
super
me.
boy.
Just go over there, please. Sarah, please go over there.
Okay, put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching up the toe.
I'm not going to pass
Okay,
it.
well, you're not even listening to me. Do you want to do the last test, Sarah?
Yeah.
When I tell you to, I want you to lift whichever foot you'd like off the ground. Count out loud in the 1,000 manner.
1,002.
I didn't tell you to start yet.
1,003. 1,004.
Sarah, stop. Okay, we're not going to do that because you can't hold your balance. Okay, Sarah, I'm going to have you take a PBT next, okay? Have you done this before?
With Smith, I'll take it.
Okay, take a long, steady breath. Okay. So you said...
My name is Sarah.
No, I'm not going to shake your hand right now. Sarah, right now you're under arrest for operating while under the influence. Put your hands behind your back for me, please.
Do you have any vehicle insurance?
Yeah.
Do you have a card?
Smith, seriously?
Could you listen,
We've
please?
known-
Sarah, do you have a card?
Smith?
My name is not Smith.
Yeah, it pretty much
Do you
is.
see that?
This is the moment everything becomes official. The arrest isn't based on just one failed test. It's the total picture. The crash, her own admissions, her behavior, and the officer's observations all combine into probable cause. In DUI investigations, it's the entire sequence that matters.
What does that say?
Walker.
Yes, that's my name.
And we've known each other for 12 years.
I've known you for quite a while, yes.
This little bitch. I do not like him. I don't like that dude.
Okay.
He's a white little f***ing... I try to prove something.
Go and have a seat, okay?
Hey,
Sarah, have a seat, please.
am I gonna trust you?
You can trust
I don't like
Sarah,
that dude.
You can trust both of us.
No, I trust you.
Okay.
The saint, for the record.
Did you hear it or did you see it happen?
So I heard her hit the box.
Okay.
And so I flipped on the doorbell to look. I have it on the doorbell. I caught it on video. Her backing, pulling forward, backing back, and then hitting the tree. And
Okay.
then stopping. And then she just sat there for a while.
Did you ever see her get out of the car?
No, she sat in the front seat of the car though.
Okay.
I think the majority of the time.
And you know it was a female the whole time?
Yeah.
Now the real consequences come into focus. A blood alcohol concentration of 0.219, more than twice the legal limit, is staggering. Add thousands of dollars in property damage and a third OWI offense, and what started as a late-night drive quickly becomes a life-changing criminal case.